The Victorian era stands as a significant period that profoundly influenced society, culture, and technology, shaping the lives of millions across the globe, marked by Queen Victoria's reign from 1837 to 1901.
During this time, the Industrial Revolution ignited a wave of innovation, leading to unprecedented growth in industry and urbanization, forever changing the way people lived and worked.
Victorian society was marked by strict social hierarchies and elaborate customs, where tea parties and public gatherings played a crucial role in defining social interactions.
Literature flourished during this period as authors explored themes of morality, social issues, and human experiences, profoundly influencing cultural discourse and public consciousness.
While the era witnessed immense progress and grandeur for some, it also revealed stark contrasts of wealth and poverty, with labor exploitation prompting social reform movements advocating for workers' rights.
As night falls over the old mansion, whispers of the past echo through its halls, inviting those brave enough to uncover the ancient secrets that lie intertwined with its very foundations.
Driven by curiosity and the thrill of adventure, explorers step carefully into the depths of the mansion, determined to unveil the enigma that has remained buried for centuries.
With each step deeper into the mansion's mysterious bowels, tension rises as they sense they are not alone,
The ancient secret protected by forces they cannot yet understand. As they uncover artifacts from a long-lost era, the explorers realize they hold the key to unlocking not just the mansion's secrets, but also the truths that could reshape their understanding of history.
With a turn of the key, new secrets are unveiled, and the explorers are transported into a realm where history and mystery intertwine, offering a glimpse into the mansion's long-buried legacy. Surrounded by wonders beyond imagination, the explorers decipher the stories etched into the murals, realizing that the mansion's ancient secret is far more profound than mere riches.